Hey, what's up guys, it's Pat. I want to take a look at the Bitcoin chart on Coinbase, so let's go to Trading View, BTC to USD. I'm going to pick Coinbase and it's going to shoot me right over to Bitfinex because it's a little bitch and it always does that. Yep, that's exactly what it did. It's a glitch or something. I don't know. If I can go in here, just push the D again and go down to Coinbase. These are all the exchanges. You know, it depends on exactly what you're trading on. So right now I have the green and red bars. They're called candles set to 1 week. So 7 of these is 7 weeks. All right. So as you can see back here in December of 2016, we started this little run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how all 5-wave Elliott waves move. The top of our third wave is pretty relative to the bottom, this bottom that we've been experiencing, which right now we're still $1,500 above. There's this channel that starts from the bottom of the first wave, the bottom of the second wave. That's the bottom, sort of the bottom support. So I drew a line, this green thick line, and then I copied it and I moved it up to the top of the third wave. And that created this little channel. This fifth wave to $20,000 corrected 50, 75, something like 80, I don't know, 50, 75%, something like that. A little less, 70%, 72% or something like that. And as it corrected, it came up and it made new highs. That's what these are. These are trending resistance lines that I drew. This is not financial advice or anything. This is just a psychotic person drawing lines all over the Bitcoin chart. When we finally broke this, we created another high. So then I created this, which I'll just like turn white for now, or straight to, no dotted lines. So this was the trending resistance until quite recently, July 23rd. We broke above that, and we've since sort of corrected and stabilized around that area, which is a good sign because it also is the bottom of this green channel that I was drawing. This is just kind of like an arc tool. I mean, if you I clicked right here and just kind of like went with it. I didn't adjust this thing. Kind of kept the mathematical arc that's built into the software. It's just a guideline, I guess. I would not go by it by any means. I think that when we come down through here, through these areas, we need to be very cautious. If we don't stay in this above 6,000 or the 6,400 range until that's November 11th. This is November 11th, actually. This is a really interesting year. November 11th, 2018 is the master year. In numerology, you combined larger numbers. So 2018 would be 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8, which is 11. So it's 11, 11, 11, which is the master number 33. So this is a very interesting year, especially when you reference back to the Rothschild's Economist magazine. This was issued on my first birthday, January 9th, 1988. Get ready for a world currency in 2018 with the phoenix over the burning fiat currencies and a gold coin chained around its neck. This exact date, I think I can only get into it if I go to the days. Yeah. I marked November 11th, which ironically is so relative to this. Let me thicken this up. This is this trending resistance ends exactly. And this is only on Coinbase. I don't know. I'm sure all the stuff is pretty relative. All these, I mean, these fucking statist, elitist bastards are all fucking planning this shit anyway. So I'd keep your eyes on that date. I'm going to keep it purple too, because purple is the color of divinity. And we're headed toward the end of this previous downward trending resistance, which we broke above, and now we're sort of riding out, and it's now acting as support. So if we have 6,000 or $6,500, if we can maintain that, I'm gonna make this I don't know, green inside or something. Yeah, cool. We can stay between this price then I would say we may either go sideways for eternity. Who knows? I don't know. I'm not going to speculate on the time, but we'd definitely go sideways for a while. Or we might just start another bull run.
Or quickly drop to $5,000.
This entire wave here might have just acted as a one wave. And in that case, we'd be looking at something like this. Which would take us up to $32,000 eventually. 35,000. Well, yeah. 31 and a half. I'd say 31 to be safe. I mean, I'm sure it will go to 32 because it's a quadruple prime number. That's the way that consciousness works as well, through the unconscious. The unconscious framework for the price action, for the conscious price action, is grid-like. And then when you measure consciousness, the consciousness that is associated with that, you use the golden ratio, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, so forth and so on. These two patterns are symbiotic. This pitchfork would just act as our new green line, our new channel. So we went from $1,000 to $20,000 outside of this channel, which we just caught back on. So I'm just going to do, this is exactly what I did. I held control and then I made another one. It keeps the exact same size. But I'm going to draw a golden ratio chart. Fuck Fibonacci. I found more about this fucking golden ratio than he did. Go check out Illuciferum.
Elusive illuminescence allows Illuciferium. Forget what you know.
$80,000 Bitcoin. Possible extended fifth wave to 100. Makes sense. Prime number. One, two, who knows? Who the fuck knows? So that's what I'm seeing. What do you think? If you're further interested in the numerology associated with the Rothschild's Economist magazine of January 9th, 1988, I highly suggest you check out Flowey's post. I'll put it in the description below.